The kitten's lost ball. The sun shines over the meadow. Kitten plays happily with a red ball. She kicks it and watches it roll. The ball bounces toward the tall bushes. Suddenly, the red ball disappears inside. Kitten runs quickly to the bushes. She looks around but cannot see the ball. Her whiskers twitch with worry and fear. Kitten meows loudly, calling for her friends. She hopes someone will come to help. Puppy hears Kitten's soft meowing voice. He rushes over, wagging his tail. "What happened?" asks Puppy with concern. "My red ball rolled inside the bushes." Puppy nods and sniffs the ground carefully. Puppy sniffs left and then sniffs right. His nose is strong, sharp, and quick. "I smell something round and rubbery," he says. Kitten feels hope and smiles at Puppy. But the bushes are still too thick. Bird hears voices and flutters down. She lands gently on a nearby branch. "Why are you two looking so worried?" Kitten explains about her missing red ball. Bird spreads her wings, ready to help. Bird flies high above the tall bushes. Her sharp eyes scan every leaf and twig. "I see something shiny and red inside." She chirps happily and points with her wing. Kitten and Puppy both cheer with joy. Kitten tries to crawl inside the bush. The branches scratch and block her way. Puppy pushes with his strong front paws. But the ball is still deep inside. They sigh, unsure what to do. Bird flaps down closer to the bush. She pulls at small twigs with her beak. Puppy digs the ground near the ball. Kitten reaches her paw through an opening. They all work hard, side by side. Finally, the red ball rolls out. Kitten jumps and hugs the round ball. "Thank you, my dear friends," she says. Puppy barks proudly and Bird chirps loud. They all laugh together in the meadow. The three friends rest under the tree. Kitten places her red ball beside her. She looks at Puppy and Bird warmly. "I learned something important today," says Kitten. Friends together solve problems much faster.